Hey everybody, it's Walt from Dyno Racing. Just want to tell you about what I was up to here with this engine. This particular engine's going on the Chinese ATV, $20 ATV Repower. I bought a PVL flywheel to replace the stock exploder, I guess. I've never had one explode, but I can see how it would come apart. There's one little screw hole in the magnet on it. Anyhow, PVL flywheel, installed that. Used the grinding compound, seated the flywheel. Then on the other side, I replaced the stock camshaft with a Dyno cams right there. Because it was stock, and if I'm going to do this, it already has a rod in it. Already has one of the ARC rods, or ARC, yeah. So now, yeah, it's ready to reinstall on the $20 Chinese ATV Repower, and put on the accessories and fire it up. Some people have been asking me about this intake manifold. I made that intake manifold a little while back, earlier in the year, I believe it was, for another. I had it on another bike of mine, but I think it'll work really nice on this because then you don't have air filters sticking out the side and all that good stuff. So who knows, maybe in the future we'll make some of these. But anyhow, I wanted to show you what we were doing. We're going to get that back on the $20 ATV, Chinese ATV Repower, and the next video will probably be riding around, trying it out, see how it works. So stay tuned. And if you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. Dyno Racing on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Check them all out. See you guys. Thanks.